Like how we approached our major scales in the last module, we're going to approach our minor scale, and specifically our natural minor scale. We're going to take, hopefully, a scale that is very familiar, and that is going from A to A without any sharps or flats. And that is a natural minor scale, and we will analyze it and then use those series of whole steps and half steps to create another natural minor scale. So let's take a look. There's an A and a B, and there is a note in between there, a B flat or an A sharp. So this is a whole step. And then with the major scale, we have whole, but here in a natural minor scale, we have a whole step, and then a B and a C, which is a half step. So we've already had a change in the series of whole steps and half steps compared to major. Then C and D, which is a whole step. D and E, which is a whole step. E, F, which is a half step. F, G, whole step. G, A, whole step. So there it is. So now let's do another natural minor scale. Let's use a bass clef. And let's do a natural minor scale on F. Remember, the nice thing about our scales is if you have an F, you start with an F, you're going to have some kind of G, some kind of A, some kind of B, some kind of C, D, E, and F. So you can fill in all of those notes right away, but now we do have to look for any sharps or flats that would be in this scale. So first, we need a whole step. F to G is a whole step because there is that F sharp in between. But now we need a half step. So G up a half step will be A flat. Our first needed flat for this F natural minor scale. We're going to go up another whole step, and A flat up a whole step is B flat. And then another whole step. That's actually kind of nice that B flat up a whole step is C, so we don't have to do anything. No flat there. But then we have a half step again. C up to D flat, because we need that half step. And then a whole step. D flat up a whole step is E flat. And then another whole step. And which is nice that you have to end on an F. You start on an F, you have to end on an F. And if something went wrong and you do not have that final whole step, then you know something has to change back in the notes you've created. So there is the series for creating a natural minor scale. And you can take that series and apply it to any note and create your natural minor scale that way. But check out in the next page of this module because I have a very quick and easy way for you to know your natural minor scales as long as you are very familiar and have been practicing your major scales.